All right, this is Cadet Gerardo. I'm going to be talking about our financial planning prototype final by myself and Cadet Teddy Glessner. So we're going to go over, for the agenda, we're going to go over our input sheet, basically our first sheet that all the inputs go into. And then we're going to talk about how the workbook is supposed to function in a counseling, and then some setbacks or assumptions we made during our progress. All right, to start off, we have our first input sheet, as you can see here. Everything in purple from the legend is what the person the soldier being counseled is supposed to input. So they got name here, and then rank, which is a drop-down button. And as you can see, as the rank changes, so does the retirement pay as well as the monthly pay. And if you put in zero dependence, other parts of the functionality changes. And then we also have planned rank at retirement, which comes in at other parts, which I'll get to momentarily. So on the input sheet, we go from SGLI to a retirement goal, to the year of planned retirement, and it calculates out in the other parts. Also, that another input sheet is our liabilities that the soldier may have, and these are debts incurred in the past. So major things like a car loan, mortgage, credit cards, student loans. And as we change these functions, the months until paid changes along with it, and then same with the mortgage, and it also calculates back out in the summary for the car loan and the mortgage on the graphs here. Along with liabilities, we have investments, and with the investments, we have monthly contributions, a average rate of return, and the future value, as you can see the function here. And so all of these come out into the summary for the long-term goals, which the retirement goal, current assets, the future value, is right here. And then it'll tell you if you're on target for your retirement goal or not. Also, we did a short-term page where it gave out basically a budget for the monthly budget, and it'll tell you your total disposable income after taxes, Social Security, and whatnot. And based on the soldier has to input needs and wants. It also calculates monthly payments from the debt, as we saw earlier, and comes out with the remainder, shows you if you're on track. So all of this comes out into the summary we see here. We try to make it as simple as possible, basically with the retirement goal, current assets in the long term, and then short-term goals really highlighting if they're in the red or not for the short term, and then also trying to keep in mind things like education, or if they want to put in kids, maybe a wedding for mid-range goals, that can all go in here. And then the charge, I just inputted a wrong number, but this would show the total months and their progress on some of the debts that they needed to be paid off right here. And so this is basically the summary page where it's all going to happen. But everything should be inputted in the first 3 pages between just a basic input sheet, liabilities, and investments. And then from there, the main counseling happens in the monthly budget and the summary. Thanks. That's all we got. Yeah.